Moving on, we have the classifications of data. First one is discrete/nominal. This means that the data you've collected is placed in categories, there's no specific order, and there's no advantage to being in one category than is to the other. So for example, if you're collecting the age range of participants in sport, you could use 10 to 15, 16 to 21, 22 to 25, etc, etc. And there's no benefit to being in the older category or the younger category. Ordinal data is effectively the opposite of this. So it's not placed in groups, but it's placed on a line or a timeline. So there's no specific order. There is a specific order. And ask people's opinions on a matter. So you could ask how a drink affects your sport. You could say that isotonic is better than isometric, and you could have a line with, I don't know, people, if you agree, if you strongly agree, if you disagree or you strongly disagree, and you place yourself somewhere on that line. Next one is continuous data. Continuous data is collected over a period of time and can be presented in any value over a continuous range. It can be used for calculating the time it takes for someone to do something, or how much effort they're exerting. Next one is interval data. Interval is similar to continuous, however it's collected in time slots over the period of time. So you could collect, for example, get heart rate over an hour jog. So you could take their heart rate before they start jogging, and then every 5 minutes whilst they're on their jog. You need to ensure that you have equal intervals of measurement, otherwise the results can be pointless. And finally, we have ratio. Ratio means there's starting points, and the intervals between the data are meaningful. So it looks at differences between the scores and numbers in a ratio way. So for example, if you're looking at speed, you'd say person A is twice as quick as person B, or strength, they are twice or 3 times as strong as the other person.